Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn any casual photo to a professional one for free and in 2 seconds. As always, I will go to Gemini and I will select my photo. I have generated this photo with Gemini as well, and I will paste my text. So yeah, I added my photo and I added my text. Now I'll click on submit and wait for it. And here we are. We have this photo. Honestly, I really like it. I can change it if I want to, and I can add more details if I want to as well. We have this one. It doesn't really look professional, so I'm gonna change it. I can ask him to change my clothes and do whatever I want. Okay, we also have this one, and now I'm gonna try with another photo and I will paste the same text. I didn't like what she's wearing, so I'm gonna ask him to... Okay, this one is better. Now if I want to download the photo, I just need to click on this and that's it. Voila! If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.